Hello and welcome to this video showing you how to unlock your BlackBerry Bold 9650. Now quite simply, to unlock a phone you need a code. It's basically a long number. To get this number at blackberryunlocking.biz, we make them using your phone's IMEI number and something called the PRD code, which is under the battery. So let me show you how you find that info. Starting off with the IMEI number, click on your BlackBerry key. Go into Options and then Device Status and Information. There you will find the IMEI number. If you have an older model, then it would actually be Options and then just Status. The IMEI number is made out of 15 numbers. We don't really care much about the dots. It's just the numbers that we're interested in when you fill the information in. The next thing that we want is the PRD code. This is under the battery on the phone. Remove the cover on a label starting with PRD, as the example here, 22578-049. Now do try to copy this number accurately. Sometimes it's very small, blurry, between 8s and 6s and so on. It can be confusing because should you send us any incorrect information, our automatic system would hold back on sending you a code because it can't make one. And we will need to look at what's happened manually and email you back with what information to double check. So now that you've got the 2 bits of info, you're ready to buy the code. Head over to blackberryunlocking.biz, scroll down to step 3, and you'll find a small form where you can fill out your IMEI number that you've just found and the PRD code. Once you've done that, click on Buy Now. It will take you to PayPal. Use existing credentials if you have them, or if not, you can pay by credit card directly using the link below. Once you've done that, about 2 minutes later, if all your information is correct, you're going to get an email from us. So head over to your inbox and you'll see that we've sent you your unlocking code and another code called the service provider code. Now we'll show you how to use these. The next thing that we're going to do is go over to click on the BlackBerry key, go over to Manage Connections and switch off your mobile network and your Wi-Fi. Now once you've done that, remember at the end of the unlocking you're going to need to switch these back on. So then head over to the Options menu, then Device, then Advanced System Settings, then the SIM card menu. There you're going to find pretty much a blank screen or something with a couple of lines. What we need to do now is type in on the keyboard, and you won't see what you type, but start typing MEPD. This will unlock additional information on that screen. If you don't see that change happen, just try again. You can try as many times as you like with this one. So what we're looking to find is that network should be active on your phone. This means it's locked. If it says disabled or inactive, then that means network is already unlocked. However, you then need to check whether service provider is active or not, because this could be locking your phone too. But 99% of the time, we're going to see that network is active. To unlock network and allow this phone to use any SIM, we type in the following on the keyboard. Type in MEP, then hold Alt and keep it down, and then tap the number 2. This will prompt you for your network code. If you were unlocking service provider code, you need to change the 2 to a 4, okay? And then use the right code in our email. So type the code in as you see it and press enter. After that, you should see a message saying code accepted. By the way, if you have 0 chances left, then your phone can't be unlocked using a code. We now have a new device, a adapter that you put onto your SIM that will allow you to use your phone with any other SIM. Once you've attempted too many tries to unlock your phone, it will never accept a code. But there is a little alternative adapter that can bypass this. Just take a look at it on our website. The next thing is you will notice the screen would updated and it will say that the network status has changed to disabled, or it can change to inactive. Also, your service provider should also be the same. So that's it, your phone is unlocked after using that code. The most that you might need to do is take out the battery and reset the phone, put a brand new SIM in there or a SIM from another network, and try to make a test call. It should let you. So if you've enjoyed this video, do give us a like if it's been useful. If you're one of our clients and you've got a comment about our service, do go ahead and leave your comments below. Thank you very much for watching. BlackBerry Unlocking Up Bits is making codes 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So head over there and get a really cheap unlock code.